Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This question says that there are a certain number of streetlights around a circular park whose circumference is 90 meter. Okay, the distance between adjacent lights is consecutive multiples of 2 meters, right? And you have to assume that the lights are of negligible width. Okay, so whatever distance is between these lights, and you don't have to count any length for the lights. Okay, now the challenge in this question is we are not given the number of lights. Okay, then some certain conditions are given that each light is marked with one of the English alphabets starting from A. Now they've just given this as an example. That does not mean that there are five lights. So it is said that if there are five lights, they will be marked A, B, C, D, E. If they are, let us say, eight lights, so A to H and so on. Okay. Now some more conditions are given. If you see this, A is mentioned over here, right? Of course, till F you can see, right? So there are minimum six lights. Okay, there are minimum six lights. Okay, so if there are six lights, now if we divide, how to find the six numbers whose the distance between them is, so basically six numbers that add up to 90. How do you find 90 as a sum of six numbers? So what we do is we take the average, right, as the middle number. So total is 90. 90 by 6 is 15. Now there are six numbers, right? So middle number cannot be a number. If there are odd number of numbers, the middle number is a, like if I say that there are five numbers, right? Five number, that means let's say n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, right? If I say there are five numbers, I can say that n3 is the middle number. But if there are six numbers, then you would say the number between n3 and n4 will be the middle number. If there are six numbers, there will not be any one middle number, right? So that is between these two numbers. So 15 is between these two numbers, right? So you have some number here, right? You have 14 and 16. Okay, and then you can have 18, 20, three numbers this side, three numbers this side. So you can add this 30, 30, 30, total 90. Okay, now let us try with this case, that suppose, let us imagine that there are six lights. Okay, so not equally spaced, don't worry. So light A is situated that distance between its neighboring lights are the least as well as the highest, right? So that means on one side there should be a distance of 10, other side there should be a distance of 20. Okay. And then only one is light is to the left of F but to the right of D. So what does it say? That left of F and right of D. So there should be only one light in between. Okay. Then we have the distance between F and D is a multiple of 10 meters. Okay, F and D, that means that there is one light, so there should be two distances. So 10, 12 do not add to a multiple of 10, right? 14 and 16. So that means one distance is 14, one distance is 16. Okay, so this means this will be F, then one distance of 14, another light, and this will be D. Okay, now we are left with uh, three more lights, and only one light is placed to the left of B but to the right of C. Okay, so again C and B. Okay, so it says that the distance between B and C is a multiple of 6. So if you put C and B here, the different distance is 34. If you put C and B here, the distance is 26. So this does not satisfy the condition. Okay, and also that will not satisfy this condition, and that is why we will reject this case. Okay, we will reject this case. So now let us see that what could be the other number of lights. So six lights are not possible, seven lights, right? 90 divided by 7 is not an integer, right? So not possible. 8 lights, 90 by 8 is not an integer, so not possible. 9 lights, 90 by 9, that means 10 is the middle number, right? So middle number is the, if there are 9 lights, then the fifth light will be 10, right? So four numbers इधर increase कर लेते हैं, 12 14 16 18, and we will have 4 here, 8 6 4 2. Okay, now if you take more than 9, let us check if there are more than 9 also possible. If you take 10 lights, 10 lights means the middle number will be 9, because 90 divided by 10, right? So 9, that means ki see, if there are 10 lights, so this is between fifth and sixth light. Okay, and there will be 5 lights this side and 5 lights this side. Okay, so 12 14 16 18, that is fine. Here you have 8 6 4 2 0, but 0 is not possible, right? There has to be some positive number, right? So 10 lights is not possible, so only possibility is that we will have 9 lights. Only possibility that there are 9 lights. Okay, so now we know that the number of lights is 9. Okay, so now let's solve this using the given conditions. Right, so A is placed over here and it is said that 2 और यहाँ पे maximum है 18, right? So this is between these. Okay, now we will take that condition also. The distance between F and D is a multiple of 10, right? So and F is only one light is to the left of F but to the right of D. So we have D, one light, and then F. Similarly, we have C, one light, and B. Okay, now D and F is a multiple of 10, right? 4 6 10, right? 14 16 10. So या तो ऐसा हो सकता है 4 6 होगा, or it will be 14 16. Okay, so let me just two possibilities, either 4 or 6 or 14 or 16. Okay, second is the distance between B and C is a multiple of 6. So B and C, it can be 2 4, which is a multiple of 6. Then you have 8 and 10, which is a multiple of 6, right? 12 14 is not a multiple of 6. 14 16 30 is a multiple of 6, right? So these are the possibilities. Then the very next line says the distance between B and C is more than 20 meters. In this case you get 6, in this case you get 18. So 14 16 is this. So B, D and F, the distance will be 4 and 6, right? So this is basically D and this is F, right? One light in between, 6 and 4, total 10. Similarly, C and B will be, this will be C and this will be B, right? So total distance of 30. Okay, now we have placed these 5 lights and we are left with A B C D. E is left, G H and I, 4 lights are left. Okay, the light with the last alphabet in this arrangement is not adjacent to D. Okay, so that means I is not adjacent to D, and anything else, E is not placed adjacent to C. So E cannot come here, right? So E cannot come here, E can't come here as well, and E can't come here as well, because D, see, it is given that no two lights with this no two adjacent lights are marked with consecutive alphabets. So E cannot come here, E cannot come here, E cannot come here, because it is mentioned E is not adjacent to C. So this will be light E. Okay, so if this is E, we are left with G H and I is not adjacent to यहाँ पे क्या दिया है कि I is not adjacent to D. Okay, so I cannot come in these two positions, so this will be I. Now G and H are left. Now G and F cannot come together, so this will be H and this will be G. So this will be the final arrangement of the 9 lights. Okay. So the first question is, which light is to the immediate right of light B? Now these are assumed lights to be facing inward, right? So all are inward. So light B right is E. Position of light C with respect to light F. So this is light F. Okay. So this is second light. Okay, second light to the right. What is the distance between H and E? H and E 6, 8, 10, that is 24 meters. Which of the following lights is closest to the diametrically opposite point of light A? Right, so we have to find which is direct almost opposite to A. Right, now we know that total circumference is 90. Right, total is 90 meter. So this distance should be 45. Okay, 45. Now if you see this 34, 48, so B is 48. So A to B is 48. Since we have not drawn by scale, so B is visible here, but it should be this side because we have not drawn the image properly. And if you count B from this side, right, it will be 42, 6, 12, 20, 20 plus 22, 42, right? So B is almost close to, it is saying that closest to the diametrically opposite point, right? So opposite point B, so B should ideally come somewhere here. Instead of E, it should be B. These should be closer. Okay, so B is almost opposite to A. Okay, not exactly opposite because there will be not exact opposite point, but closest will be B. So this is the solution to the questions of this set.